Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever you're seeing this video. Welcome all. Sabko namaste. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. So let's start today's session. First of all, who didn't know about India? So yesterday we won T20 World Cup in India's main cricket team. So that's a big thing. We won T20 World Cup back to back. Last time we won in 2024 and we won yesterday, 2026, 8th of March 2026. So India is dominating in T20 World Cups and that is good to see. Alright, let's move to our business, guys. First, let me reload this. Hopefully my screen is visible. Let me just check from my phone as well that I am live or not. So I will just look at my channel and I think I am live. I am live, bro. That's cool. Okay. The fun fact is, that there is the only guy who watches my video very regularly, like consistently, and that guy is me. Okay. So I'm the viewer and I am the publisher at the same time. All right, never mind. Let's. Time will change, guys. I know one day people will watch me live. Time will change. So first of all, let's focus. Let me reload once again so that I think every 5 price action everything works. All right, I think it is nice. Let's see. Let's analyze on. Firstly, let's see what is happening at weekly time frame, guys. That is a very big number, but at weekly time frame, market is very, very, very bearish. All right, and right now, let me one more thing I have to do is I have to see. Okay, so the start of week happened yesterday, and the last week, as you can see, the market touched this high. Like market went to higher highs, and then there is sudden pressure from the selling side because this is a extreme level of selling happening for past couple of months, and this is where the market take a pullback. And after this pullback, market took a rejection from the EMA. This is the mean average price, guys, and from here market took extreme level of rejection, guys. Okay, and one more thing, let me yeah, now this candle, the probability of for this candle to follow the previous candle is much high because this candle is forming the nature the same as the previous candle. It is again touching, is going to touch the EMA, and if there are sellers again, it this candle is just testing that they are sellers or not. So the probability that this will touch to EMA is high, and then later in the second half of the week, there is a high chance that market will take a rejection from here. So we have to be with the momentum. Right now, market is going in up direction. Then it's just a pullback. But at weekly time frame, you can just say pullback can also leads to big movement in the shorter time frame. So at shorter time frame, we are bullish because this candle is yet to peak. And at higher time frame, like it's longer time frame, you can just see for weekly or months, we are bearish. Okay, so uh, let's see what is happening at 4 hour time frame then. So at 4 hour time frame, that what I said is, um, this is the rejection area, guys. Okay, from here market took a rejection, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This not exactly, but it can be counted as sixth. And this is a breakout, but eventually it didn't sustain, and market took a pullback again. Sorry, rejection again from this selling zone. Now, I can also see at 4 hour time frame, market is uh, supporting this trend line. So this is the trend line at 4 hour time frame where buying is coming again and again, and this is making a swing like a U-shaped recovery, and the market has the potential, the full potential, to test the selling zone again. All right, so we have to see that how it will perform in the coming hours and days. But for today's perception, we are bullish in Bitcoin, and we will try to find, because there is no as such range where from where market can fall. If we find that market has turned its momentum into downward direction, then we will think to punch the trade in the downward direction. But as of now, we'll find the opportunity in the up direction. So basically, the market is extremely difficult thing to trade, but we can have an edge if we try to find if we try to find the most probable trade, and probability only comes when you eliminate other probable outcomes. Okay, so other probable outcome, market has only two outcomes: either it will go up or it will go down, right? Either you have to buy or you have to sell. That's two things, 50-50% chances. Now in this 50% chances, you have to neglect the other 51, the other and so the so in buy or sell, I have eliminated the sell. Okay, the I have eliminated the 50%. Now what I left is the 100% thing, that is I have to buy. In that 100%, I have to buy, because one thing is very clear, that I have to buy. In buying, what I have to do is I have to find the opportunity, I have to find the setup, I have to find the high probable setup in the up direction. I Although I know that I have to punch the trade in the up direction. Yeah. um mm, let's ignore everything, because right now trading is very important. Okay, so um let me just, yeah. So we have to be very sure that we have to find the most probable setup. Then let me just switch to 15 minutes and let's see where the high probability setup is in the up direction, guys. Okay, so we can see at 15-minute time frame, market is taking support from this area. So this is a buying area, right? So market from like first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, at 15-minute time frame, you can just see market took support for sixth time in the up direction, right? And this is, you can see that it tried to broke out, but as you can see, market didn't sustain and went in up direction. So at 5 minute time frame, we have to see that what market is trying to do. Mm, although like it is also taking rejection from here, but so I can feel that there is a rejection of sellers who are present here. Okay, so market is looking like that it isn't channel, or like at 1 hour time frame you can just see that market is taking a pullback and trying to touch this selling zone. So at 5 minute we have to be little bit careful in looking at the high probability of trades. Okay, because one more thing that I can see is this, that market is facing rejection from this area as well. You can just see this area, right? So also like you can just see that this, after this candle, like this is extremely bearish candle, the next candle should be in the downside. Okay, but it invited all the sellers. Okay, but this candle is really good to sellers, right? And as soon as sellers, because this is also a breakout of the zone, right? But market is extremely in up direction, right? 1 second guys, I think I have gotten, I got a bite from mosquito. Okay, so what I'm saying is yeah, so this red candle invited most of the sellers, all right? But one thing that seller forgot in this candle also, you can just see this is the invitation candle for all the sellers. And after this invitation, okay, although like it went a little bit down, it gave a tick down in this uh, buying zone, and market took a reversal. So this is the candle which squared off all the sellers out, all right? And because their stop loss is, seller stop loss is here, and market is going in the up direction, all right? uh, that means it fooled out all the sellers and market take a u-turn, and after this there is a high probable chances that market will make another move in the up direction, all right? And market went till here, this is the selling zone. Now from the selling zone market took a rejection, this is the rejection. Okay, so after seeing this rejection, all these buyers who just jumped in are panicking and squaring off their positions. So the trade might be here is in the selling direction, because the newly added buyers will square off because their stop loss is here, and the chances of market to touch at least touch this buying zone again is high. Okay, not exactly 100%, but is more than like 50-60% chances, 60 more than 60-70% chances that market will test this selling zone again. Okay, sorry, buying zone again. So what is in us, what market have right now for us? Nothing. We have to avoid trading here, because this is literally in between. Either we have to sell here, then we can target up till here, but this is in between, right? And we, because in between the market can be ambiguous, like this can also have a rejection from buying side, okay, and at the same time it can have a support from the buying side, and at the same time it can have the rejection from the top side as well. So this is in between, and we are not sure that market will follow uh, either side and maybe sandwiched, and in the sandwich market we also get sandwich, right? So we have to avoid this trading, and as a trader you should know where you have to punch the trade and where you have to avoid the trade, because avoid the trade means protecting your capital, and your capital is foremost priority, utmost priority. Okay, let's so this is the analysis of Bitcoin. So the summary is that if market crosses this red zone, then we are buyer. If market take a rejection from this red zone, then we are seller. And one more thing, if market take a rejection from support from this green zone, then we are buyer again. Okay, so we are buyer at this area and above this area, and we are seller at this area. Okay, so at two places we are buyer and at one place we are seller. Okay, so that's the whole POV of Bitcoin. Now let's take the silver, because silver is one of my favorite asset right now. Let's take a analysis in silver as well. So let's see what is happening at 4-hour time frame. Let's see what is happening at weekly time frames, so that we can also have a overview of weekly, right? And weekly time frame, you can, as you can see, market is extremely bullish, guys. Like for uh 2 to 3 months, 4 months, right? Market is extremely bullish, and it suddenly took a rejection from this point at 26th of January, and there is a sudden crash. And after the sudden crash, market sustained from this area, right? So this is the buyer's area, although it can also be looking as a profit booking area as well. But market took a support, and took a support means that market went in buying again at this point, right? Now, for some reason, it took a rejection again. This might be initially this might be a profit booking for the buyers, and this profit booking might invited new sellers, because after this selling, my sellers might be interested to sell again at this discounted price, and market took a took a deep till here. And after this moment, it again reached to this buying area. Their buyers are again interested to buy at the lower price, and they started buying. So this candle which is forming now, and it's have, let me also draw this level. It have still oh my god, like, so there are different weeks for Bitcoin and silver. Okay, nice. So I still have 4 days, because market took a support from here. It still have to 4 days, and probability is that market will take a support and make another green candle till here. So because this is at support zone, this is a buying zone. Okay, so the chances of going in up direction is a bit higher than of the market to go in the selling side. So at 4-hour time frame, you can see that market is a little bit choppy, because that of like is still forming a candle. And as you can see, this is acting as a let me draw my horizontal line. This is acting as a selling zone. This is exactly where the selling is coming again and again. And one more thing that I have to draw is this is acting as a buying zone in silver. So right now market is at exactly, although like we as weekly time frame we are bullish, but as we decreasing the time frame right now, so you can just see the market is bit cluttery or bit ambiguous or bit hazy and cloudy. So uncertain is the right word, right? So market is quite uncertain at this area, and you can just see that 5 minutes, 1 second, at 15 minutes. So let's see what is happening at 1 hour. At 1 hour, you can just see market is moving in a channel. You can just see that how beautiful this channel is looking. Even who is not a trader, right, and who don't know how to trade, please come and just short your position from here. Please come and you buy from here. Please come and short from here, and please come and buy from here. Again, short from here, buy from here. 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 Short from here, short from here, buy from here. So this is exactly the area. See how this is like a wow, how beautiful it is. So from 3rd March, it is moving like this, right? So now we will see that we see that there is a rejection, although like there is a little bit of 1 second, little bit of buyers at this area as well, who push the market in a direction, because the same area you can just see. Now, if we see that there is a double bottom or double top or something like that at market facing a rejection again, then we will definitely jump in the selling side. Okay, I will draw this as a green area because this is representing buyers. So at 15-minute time frame, market is bit choppy, and at 5 minutes, market. This is a 5 minute candle, guys. So market followed this trend line and went up. Now I'm just waiting for this trend line to break so that I can make a position in the downward side. Okay, so this is pretty much. So we are bearish in silver and we are bullish in Bitcoin. So that's the whole POV. And let's just wait. Now the game will start. Waiting game will start. Okay. We should have came online at 6 or 5:30 somewhat, because at 6 and 5:30 you can see big moves, and we just need one big move to close the day. But as of now, you can just see. Okay, so one more thing that I'm just letting you know, that if you do hurry, or if you panic, or if you if you invited, or if there is a feeling of fearing of missing out or something like that, right? Then please avoid trading, guys. That is the exact time that market is trying to. Market is not trying. The players in the market is trying. Although the market is protecting you. One more thing is that market is your friend. Market is showing what people are thinking, and if you are not able to understand what people are thinking from this beautiful diagram, then guys, you have to avoid trading and you have to start learning, right? So at the time, if market is the one who tries to protect you, you are the one who will fall for trap. So that's what I'm training for, because I am not a professional trader right now. Otherwise I could have traded in the real market. But this is the demo trading application which is made by me. I am a software engineer, guys. So same thing, right? Okay, right now this is a good sign that market is finally breaking. Okay, nice, 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 nice. What I'm doing right. Okay, right. Yeah. So this candle is quite good. This is 8431. If candle closes between below this, then I'm uh, logged in to buy, and I will buy 750 quantities. Let's see what is happening at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a bit slow right now. Okay, we have to bit little bit careful where market is taking the turn. As soon as it crosses this, I will sell it. 37. Okay, it's good. I sold it, guys. Um, let me see where I sold. It's 8430. I'm little bit afraid if it will take the rejection, then we have to be little bit 8430 here. I sold it here, guys. My stop loss would be at this point. It's quite high, so we have to be little bit point 4, point 5, point 1. We can't take point 1 stop loss. 750 times 0.5. Okay, $370, 0.05. Let me calculate it just first fast. It is $75 only, right? Yeah, we can take it. Okay, so 15. Yeah, it is less than $75. I think so. Because if I do a little bit math, 750 times, what is that? 1.5, right? No, 0.5, 0.15, 0.15, $112. Yeah, which we can take it $112. Nothing. So um a target will be huge. What I can anticipate here is we can have a great target, guys. At least somewhere here, or at least this point, right? So let's wait for the big target, guys. This trade will continue and take time, but I think we are locked in. To lose, we have $150, and to gain, we have around what is this? $400, $500, something like that. 12 more seconds to close this candle. The trade is very simple, guys. Either we will take a loss 100 of $150, and otherwise we will take a profit of $500 at least. Candle's pausing, which is not good actually, but we can see at 15-minute time frame. So the chances are that market will touch this area is quite high. Just have to wait. This area might be a bit challenging for us because buying started from here as well. So if there is it facing a support from here, then this can take a stop loss as well. But if it crosses this area, then the chances of getting a stop our profit is much higher. Okay, it's taking rejection, guys. Okay, it's took a rejection, extreme level of rejection, guys. I just squared off my position. Uh, did I do it great thing, or we'll find another opportunity in selling once I'm keeping my order ready again. Okay, it took a rejection. Nice. I think we should have waited. Okay. If this faces a rejection and it closes somewhere here, and right, then market will take a U-turn in the up direction because this has attracted a lot of sellers, guys, lot of sellers, and their stop losses are here. If this candle closes in up direction, right, then there are so many sellers who will get trapped. But this is good that market is taking rejection from here again. That means market is interested to go in the downward direction. I'm decreasing the quantity. 84145. This is 8404. Market is pausing, which is not good, guys. Okay, in Bitcoin, market came to this buying position again. If market took a rejection from here, then we are bullish. Otherwise, if it breaks this buying zone, then we are bearish, guys. Okay, in Bitcoin. And in silver, we are bearish. I don't know why we squared off this position, because this has nothing to do with our trade. But now jumping in is quite risky. Although, like, if I find this at my price, then I will go again. But this is quite risky now to jump in again. I should have waited. I should have not squared off my position. I should have waited for my stop loss. It's fine. Why I afraid it? I don't know. I got afraid. Market is pausing, guys, which is not good. If it has to fall now, then it should have fallen already. But now it is pausing and creating a panic in this sellers, because sellers are like me, that who is also thinking about, should I um because whoever sold here, right, is having a good profit, and if market reverses, then his profit will shrink. So he will try to book his profit, and this may attract new buyers as well. So we have to be a little bit careful here. We will we will sell again here after, like, if market closes this. What is this? 8413. Any closing between 8410, we are good to sell. But closing is important. Okay, 10, nice. 09, it's great. Still 1 minute and 29 seconds. Because this is the area where market took a rejection, guys. Took a support, guys. Okay. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Bitcoin is also taking support from here. You have to wait both at both places. Oh, crazy. Market has fallen. Now it's high time that market should sustain. It's okay. Market is falling, but it has to sustain. The point is it has to sustain. Okay, nice, 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 nice. but yeah, market has already a good momentum in up direction. Then can't trust market at this moment in the selling side at least. In Bitcoin, we can't trust market in the selling side, but in okay, it's already fallen. Now we have to just see the market fall without our position, and this is the most painful thing, guys. Although like your speculation is good, your understanding of the price action is good, but you have, but what wrong did you have? Did you did uh, is you got afraid with this pullback. Vivek, to you have to you have to take this kind of pullback. You have to be used to this kind of pullback. What is that, yeah? Guys, I'm coming. Huh? Oh, crazy God. I don't know how many people are destroyed after this green candle. This is free flowing candle and should have reached here. Now, this is the perfect chance if market wants to take a rejection again, if market wants to fall. Now, this is the right moment because all the weak sellers are out and it is giving hope to new buyers. They have stop loss here. Although, like this is very bad thing that happened to sellers. Although, like some of the sellers might booking profit because whoever have sought at here at this point, right, have enjoyed around good profit. Okay, guys. See, this such thing can happen in trading, and can't do anything about this. But right now, my what is happening at Bitcoin? Okay, guys. So Bitcoin is also pausing. That means it is inviting all the sellers to come in. Guys, this is a trap. For sure, it is a trap, and we have to avoid trade here. This is a clear invitation, guys. Invitation for sell. Should I sell at point one lot? Or let's avoid silver. Oh, sorry, Bitcoin. I'm interested in Bitcoin. Oh, wow. Bitcoin has literally fallen. Crazy. Bitcoin had crazy, guys. Although like this is extreme level of buying and Bitcoin just fall from nowhere. Crazy, guys, crazy. We'll not jump directly here. We will see if this is a real fall or not. And it seems like it is a real fall. Huh? After this breakout, Bitcoin had fallen 207 points. Okay, I'm now very much interested in seeing what Bitcoin will do. लड़की का चक्कर बाबू भैया, लड़की का चक्कर, हाँ ऐसे कह रहे होगे तुम लोग। Bitcoin is falling. Wow. Crazy guys. Not anticipated fall from Bitcoin. I should have taken a small risk from here, guys. Right? From here, at least we have enjoyed around 40 points. I think we have to start working on small stop losses. In silver, there is a high time to short again, but we have to be a little bit careful. Again, we have to short. It is for sure we have to short. But when? That's the question. Mm, we have to see if I short 1,000 points from here, then our stop loss fight to 50 points, which is extremely huge. So we can't short seven. We have to short 750 points. But from where we have to short? That's the question. I have to delete this. The selling is coming from nowhere, guys. Nowhere. Silver, it is quite understandable that selling will come or not come. Uh, but we have to little bit careful in silver as well. Think can have a trade in silver in the selling side, but we have to be sure. Point two is here, right? Okay, I'm punching my trade in the selling side. Um, let's see where I punched my trade in the selling side. Um, 8425. Hmm, short position 8425. I don't know why I punched so early. 25 is here. This is my selling position, guys, and this is my stop loss looks like. Okay. All right. I took a trade a little bit early, guys. Might be we have to face a rejection as well. Okay, I think we are facing the same thing. Mm, approaching our stop loss. I think we have took the trade a little bit early. In Bitcoin, um, Bitcoin, we have to avoid trading in Bitcoin right now. Okay, silver is facing rejection. Okay, silver is going to our stop loss, guys. 76. Hmm, I think we have to accept a stop loss in silver right now. Market is reaching our stop loss. Okay, I think we have to accept the stop loss. Yeah, I accepted the stop loss at $111, which is quite okay for me, but not really okay, guys. I will short again, but I will short at my price because this time I just bought at the price that market wanted me to bought. Uh, we'll trade two more trades because we have the risk appetite to trade two more trades. Then we will close the session. I think it's been a hour. Yeah, in hour we took two trades. Let me show you what. So this is our overall PNL looks like. So we still have $150 risk appetite. All right. So let's see. Okay, it is facing rejection, guys. See how how manipulative the Bitcoin is. I'm selling again. I don't know where I sold again. I sold at 842925. 842925. 842925. 30429. Somewhere here I sold somewhere here. Okay. Same stop loss again. Same target again. Okay. Same thing. Same time, same jagah. गिरजा सिल्वर भाई प्लीज दोस्त नहीं मेरा. I think I have to I have to square off my position and square off the day as well. Come on, silver. Come on. Today you're not helping me out, silver. Why? Oh, I think I have to accept it. I have to accept the pain. Mm, okay, I have to accept the pain. I accepted the pain at $133. Market is not listening. Not listening today. So it's already to $50, and I think I have exhausted my today's appetite, risk appetite. Guys, see how this manipulative candle is. As soon as I booked my stop loss, the market is okay. I will not trade from now. I will just closely observe the market because this is my penalty. मतलब like a so I traded three trades today, and in two of them I suffered a loss. Bitcoin, what is happening at Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin took a rejection, guys, which is expected. I am not surprised if it will touch this again. This is a false breakout, guys. This is a false breakout. But what is this? This is literally, guys, what I can say. I haven't looked at gold yet. What is happening at gold? Is it the gold that is? Yes, bro. Gold is also at extreme selling zone at 4 hour time frame. So why it is not falling? So it's giving a false hopes. Bro, how good the price action is now. But we have exceeded out the risk reward. So we can't trade. Like it is quite good in the selling range. But at 5 minutes, you can just see that we didn't have trade. Market is extremely slow, guys. It will take you out again and again. This I don't know what can proper trend line looks like. Mm, Don't know. Mhm. Mhm. कारवां की तलाश में So it's already 1 hour 13 minutes, and we took 3 trades, which is quite good. But overall, we can just see that we are at $402 loss now. All right, all right, all right. Easy peasy. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Okay, nice. If it falls now, it will be very painful to me because it didn't fall in my 2 attempts. I'm waiting for 2 more minutes. I'm thinking to take another trade with very less capital. So my stop loss would be the same again. Uh, Now this time my stop loss would be $75. Target will be the same. So Okay, crazy, 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 crazy. 3 minutes. Still 1 minute to close this candle. I should have taken the risk at this candle, guys. This candle is quite a risky candle. Risk taking candle, guys. Mhm. But 1 more minute. Okay, 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 okay. 8413. Guys, 1 more minute, guys. Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want, guys. Just give me. Already slipped away. Okay, nice. Crazy. I loved it. This is cheating, 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 cheating. ऐसे होगा तो मैं नहीं खेलूंगा guys. Okay, now it is going good. As soon as I said it is going good, why it just reflects in the up direction? We will not take any trade, guys. This is final. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch the market. Mhm. Guys, I think I have to close this session for today. We already hit our stop loss. Let's see what is happening at Bitcoin. Um, okay, yeah, Bitcoin is showing some different nature, guys. Why is it so? Why is it so crazy? Bitcoin is showing some different color today. It broke out this green zone and it went in selling. But silver is literally giving a shock to us. Again, silver took stop loss twice. Let me show you what happened. This is the trade like 8430 at 1047. 1047 somewhere here 8430. Okay, 8430. What is this? 8430 means somewhere here I have shorted. Okay, and I don't know why 8430 is just a perfect trade, guys. And yeah, it went down also, like for giving us $200 plus profit, and just went up, and I got afraid for some reason. If I had hold this trade, guys, it would have given me around this much point, this much, at least this much point. That is again 200 plus points. That's not a good trade at all, but in this choppy market, at least this is a good point, right? So I didn't book. I just booked. I just came out cost to cost. Then at 11:15, I 8425, 11:15, 8425. Somewhere here I shorted again. Market took my stop loss again. Then I shorted again at this. Market took my stop loss. So overall, I got trapped twice in silver. But Bitcoin, for some reason, is going. There might be a possibility that I can trade in the Bitcoin, but for that we have to wait for another 10 minutes. We'll wait. We'll find. See, if we took trade again na, in this silver, then it has taken our stop loss again. So proper stop loss hunting is going on in silver. Guys, whoever is trading in the selling side, please avoid your trade. Every Monday is like a bleeding Monday for us. Let me show you the analytics. What happened last Monday? So at last Monday, that came at second, we lost $260. All right. Then Tuesday went well. Wednesday also went well. Thursday we didn't. Friday went well again. Today is the Monday again, guys, and you can see we lost 250. Similar. So Monday is a bleeding Monday, bro. Monday you have to be very careful. But the good thing is that we after this we didn't done the revenge trading, and this is also good. Guys, I think it's high time to close this session because neither in silver they see silver. You can just see that how stop loss hunting is going on. And let me delete this because we are wrong. In Bitcoin, market might take a rejection from here. I'm just waiting for that. There might be a possibility that we can have one good trade in Bitcoin. Satu bersama sekalaulah, satu bersama sekalaulah. I'm finding an opportunity in the Bitcoin, but the opportunity is quite small. The chances of getting stopped out is much higher. So it's better to avoid trade, in my opinion. Cause if we want to go for another trade and we if we might occur a loss, then it would be pretty hectic day for today. Well, some days are the day that your mindset will not match with the market, and if you do trading, then okay, guys. I think we have to close this session for today. I'll see you tomorrow. And today we incurred $250 loss. That's okay. We'll see you tomorrow with new mindset, new approach, and with new psychology. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. And stream.